A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So tell me now, if you not think you're sick, you think say, you're gonna think say, you need figure doctor. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 2 from verse 13 to verse 17. Jesus go back on the seaside and whole heap of people gather up around him and him teach them. When in the depaning way, in see Levi, Alphaeus boy, sit on which part people collect tax. Jesus said to him, say, follow me. So he get up and follow Jesus. After that, Jesus go near my Levi yard. Enough tax collector and people were do wrong did come sit down and yam with him and a special follower them, cause a whole heap of people did a follow him. When the law teacher them and the Pharisee them, she said Jesus did a yam with tax collector and people were do wrong. Them ask him follower them say, what make him yam with the tax collector and wrongdoer? When Jesus hear what they say, him said to them, say, people were not sick, no need doctor. Only sick people need doctor. Me ain't come here to tell people we do right, to turn away from them wrong. People we do wrong, me come here for. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.